Hey, welcome to the last day of our free digital media VA training series. First of all, I'm really proud of you for getting through all of this. Some of it might not have been new to you. Some of it, I hope you learned some tips and tricks and new programs to work through. And I hope you feel inspired that you could do this type of thing for work. There are online business owners out there who need help with the digital media stuff. So first of all, I want to tell you that this is not the end. Stay in the lab and I will be sure to post more trainings. I do a weekly blog with more insider tips and things I've learned, and I try to really give you valuable content. So stick with me, and also know that I do have a VA crash course where I teach digital marketing to people who want to work online. You could be a VA already, you could want to be a VA, it doesn't matter. It's starting from ground zero with online business strategies, working all the way up through SEO, email marketing strategies, affiliate marketing, and social media. There's a lot to learn. So that is a great place to start. So for today, the last trick, I'm gonna have my cat on my lap, of course. So this last thing I wanna teach you is called the ColorPick Eyedropper. This is a hack that I use all the time in my business when I'm doing designs, when I'm doing landing pages and emails and whatnot. And it is such, it has been such a game changer for me, and it's so stupid easy. So I'm open right now in the Chrome web store, and I don't know if you knew this, but when I was starting out online, I didn't know about any of these Chrome extensions that you could do. So I came here and I clicked add it. I'm gonna add extension, and it's gonna add up here to all these cool little tools I have. You can see I have a couple other ones that are amazing. Bless my cat, that's my cat. Okay, so now it's right here, all right? So let me show you how I use this. So say I'm here with that Facebook ad we were doing yesterday, and I wanted to grab her lime green, but I didn't know what color it was, and I don't really want to guess, and I want it to match. I would use this eye pick dropper, and I would just hover right over. Oh, it says I need to reload the page. Okay, hang on a second. Because I just installed it, I needed to reload it. Okay, so let's try again. I'm gonna click the eyedropper, and then I come over here. Why when I do a training do things not work? Okay, now it's working. I'm gonna hover over the color I want, and then you can copy the hex code. So I'm gonna come here. The tricky thing is to make sure you X out of it before you leave, otherwise the eyedropper follows you everywhere. And then I could go over here, say into Canva where we were working earlier, and I could change the background to match the exact color. Is that not awesome? I use this all the time for Facebook ads, for landing pages and graphics, and gosh, all kinds of things. Sometimes the clients don't know their colors or their branding, and this just makes life so much easier. So again, it is a Chrome extension, and there's a lot of goodies out there. So if you have a client that says, oh yeah, that's a Chrome extension, now you'll understand it's like a little shortcut tool. I wanna show you really quick. I'm gonna get the purple, and you get faster at it for sure. This one's going really slow right now, but you hover over it, copy the color, and you're good to go. Bam. So I hope you enjoyed this free training series as much as I did. And if you're on my email list, I'm going to send you a little goodie for subscribing to it. And we're going to wrap it up with a party over in your inbox. So thank you so much. I cannot wait to hear when you get a job, or if you're inspired to go get a job, or where you are in your journey. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.